He's gonna take it now. You little ornery butt. You ornery butt.
Is that good stuff? Is that good stuff? Is that good stuff? Yeah. Not even a giggle.
Not even this time. You're an ornery butt. Your shoelace? What happened? Abigail, Mommy can't film if your head's in the way, honey. Again, Abigail, Mommy can't film if your head's in the way.
Oh, there is a smile.
And Abigail's in the way, yet again. This is Solomon's first bottle.
Abigail, please get off of him.
He is cute.
Yeah. Are you laughing at me? Are you laughing at me? Yeah. Are you laughing at me? He's cute.
He is so cute.
Yeah.
He's like, this is strange. Dad feeding me.
Can I try to feed him? Mama. Can I try to feed him, Daddy?
Daddy's gonna feed him.
Yeah. Rebecca tried.
Okay.
Just stand right here on my right side, right here.
Okay.
Now you take the bottle out for a second.
Good job. Go take a drink.
There you go. Okay, leave it in there now for him to get out of it. There you go. There you go. Okay. That's all the entertainment value we're going to get.
My husband,
Yeah.